It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, the 18th of December. I'm Michael Groff, and much of the country waking up to a very chilly start to the day, including us here in the Southwest. The coldest temperatures we've seen so far this season have settled on in here this morning. Another day of below normal temps today and tonight, and then tomorrow we'll start a warming trend. So let's get out there and talk about it, plus look at your Christmas forecast. Right now out there, our normal camera view is not available this morning, so this is the look from the Chandler City Hall. You're not really able to see a whole lot here at 6:10 a.m., but rest assured the sky is mostly clear out there. 39 degrees right now at Sky Harbor. Dew point is at 31, relative humidity 72%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. Across south central Arizona and around the metro area this morning, it is chilly out there. 29 at Maricopa. Many of us in the 30s, a couple of 40-degree temps in the urban core. A few high clouds here over the southwest with a piece of energy breaking away from the main flow, but not going to see a whole lot of that today. On the watch warning map, wind chill warnings, brutally cold temperatures in the Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, Montana, Wyoming. Winter weather advisories for much of the east and portions of the Midwest. Winter weather conditions as far south as the Tennessee Valley and northern Alabama, around Huntsville today. Some light freezing precipitation possible down there. Freezing rain, maybe some sleet. Wind advisories elsewhere, freeze warnings in Texas. So we got a lot going on this morning. Look at these temperatures. Just thought I'd show you this map. Minus 25 in Bismarck, minus 21 Grand Forks, North Dakota. It is 28 below zero in International Falls. It is minus 17 in Minneapolis. The single-digit temps as far south as Lubbock, Texas, 5 degrees. It's 16 in Midland, minus 2 in Amarillo, Texas. It is very, very cold out there, especially when you factor in the wind. Look at these wind chill values. Minus 40, the current wind chill in Grand Forks. And wind chills approaching 50 below in portions of Ontario. Wind chills below zero as far south again as Lubbock, Texas, minus 12. Minus 11, Oklahoma City. So you see, it's very, very cold. And you can see where that front is, too. Front right now over the southeast states. And that's where we have on the convective outlook a risk of thunder today. No severe weather risk, but certainly some thunder for parts of the southeast today. All right, as far as our weather goes, let's get into it and talk about this cold and how long that's going to last as we take a look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. And there is a piece of energy breaking away from the main flow, as I mentioned earlier. Over the southwest today, that'll eventually form a cutoff low and a few high clouds around, but otherwise mostly sunny. A little bit warmer than yesterday, upper 50s to low 60s here in the Phoenix area. Tonight, another clear sky and lows mainly in the 30s to low 40s. Tomorrow, sunny and warmer, highs lower to mid 60s. On Tuesday, we'll be in the mid to upper 60s. Wednesday, we're mostly sunny, could see a few high clouds. High temps, upper 60s to lower 70s. Same for Thursday. And Friday, we start to see a little bit of a regression in temperatures back to the mid-upper 60 range with the sky becoming partly cloudy at times. The forecast confidence starts to go down just a little bit out here, but we're starting to see some better model agreement. This is Christmas Eve, and it does appear that a trough will be digging through the Intermountain West, but most of the energy stays well to the north of Arizona. A little bit of a brush by from the system. Temperatures may back off just a little bit to the low and middle 60s. And I suppose there could be a rain or snow shower in eastern or northeast Arizona. But around here, at best, we would see partly cloudy skies. And temperatures, again, if this verifies, low to mid 60s, that's fairly seasonal. And each run of the GFS seems to keep this energy further away from us, so we may wind up being very mild. And this is a week from today, Christmas Day. And if this turns out to verify, it looks like a very mild one around here. We'd start out the day in the 40s, which is about normal, but have high temperatures climbing up to around 70, which is above normal. Monday, the 26th, looks pretty nice too. Highs in the upper 60s. Another trough developing over the Pacific Northwest and headed south. And this is the end of the forecast period, Tuesday, December 27th. We've seen several different looks out this far. This particular run has a pretty cold trough headed our way, just like the last several systems. But the trajectory is mostly over land. Doesn't look like it's going to bring a whole lot of moisture with it. Maybe some rain or snow showers in northern Arizona. And eventually, I suppose, we'd have a small chance of rain around here. The European is more bullish with it, but Again, we're 9 and 10 days out. Nothing to get excited about. It's just something to look at right now. And eventually one of these systems will be a big weather maker for us, but I don't know if that's going to happen anytime soon. All right, precipitation for the next 10 days off the GFS. Nothing here. Maybe a little bit of rain and snow in northern Arizona with that system I was just talking about, but otherwise, looks like a pretty dry stretch all the way through the holiday season. All right, temperatures through the period. We'll have that warming trend this week, getting up into the 70s, a little bit cooler for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, maybe. We'll see how that pans out, too. And then very mild as we head toward the end of the year and into 2017. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video should be up by tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Stay warm out there and have a safe and happy Sunday.